Hello traders, this morning we're dealing with oversold markets. This morning alpha Fibonacci support present in the trading room since early May, showing you this is a crucial place to buy. In a moment you will see what students accomplished already, as majority done, as it's been breathtaking, stunning open, as price was not just a day trading alpha Fibonacci support, this is also crucial institutional support where intelligent trader looks to buy only. Intelligent trader trades with precise stop, entry and target. Intelligent trader is not speculating. Intelligent trader understands the importance of strategic, intelligent trading, not chasing markets, not gambling. Trading with precision, with preparation. So if price will retrace again to alpha Fibonacci support, it's a gift. It's a stunning place to be. And if I convert this chart to 5 minutes, take a look what's playing out at this support. There is no surprise. It's all precise. And if I convert this chart to 3, identical place remains. Ultimate place to buy from. This is what we're monitoring for, this support. And if I convert this chart to 1, it's your critical barometer chart. It's in front of you. This had been spectacular open. So while we're monitoring for this support, let me show you the email I just received from graduate of this week's course. As again, we understand extremely clearly, this is not the place to short near, this is a place to buy from. This is second best, this is ideal. So if buyers stepping in already, we're not surprised. We absolutely understand that this is the area of critical support. This is not as ideal as this level. This is second best. And what price will do at this resistance will determine markets for the remainder of the day. Here's long on S&P traders. Scanner giving us multiple alerts. What does intelligent trader understands and knows? Bright pink line is a major problem. Again, this is not ideal. This is second best. Trade is not on 1 minute. Trade converted to 1 for the trading room only. So please pay attention carefully. We knew that this would be a problem. We knew that price would take a pause. Intelligent trader not surprised. It's not ideal. If the price will be stuck here for a good reason. Market open was flawless, breathtaking. This is second best. Intelligent trader understands how to protect the profits. Intelligent trader knows to obey buy from support, sell from resistance rule only. And if you do that, the sky's the limit. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. Your most important chart telling you that. Correct? Second best. So I'll be babysitting this resistance being a major problem and buyers stuck in incredible weakness. Let's ask students what they've done this morning at the market open, shall we? Boom! Let's take a look. Ken, 1-for-1 Bitcoin long, done. Could you update us on the total number of trades, please? As you can listen to the Ken's latest podcast. Let's go S&P. Stop BE at DP2. 100%. Nothing in between. Everyone clear on this? We expected a problem at DP1. Here is DP2. Move your stop outside of break-even. Scale out accordingly to your lot size. That's what intelligent trader does. Trading markets as chess. Understanding this was critical area of support only. Second best. This is the power of proprietary alpha Fibonacci system, traded in 50 countries plus on Wall Street and by institutional traders. So when price comes to alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and price struggling immensely, trader is not surprised. Expect powerful pullback. It's alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. If you are not protecting your profits, if you are not scaling out accordingly, you will have a major problem. Price collapses from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 80+%. As it does in front of you now, as it does on pound, on euro, on Apple, on Amazon, on Bitcoin, on anything you choose to trade. Every day, every time. Ultimate precision, ultimate power. Gene, 7 points on S&P. Emmanuel, 4 points. Traders supporting each other pre-market. Emmanuel does not need hand-holding. Flawless work. Brett's trading day, 20 minutes. Traders supporting each other. Phenomenal job, everyone. This is community of intelligent, brilliant, quality traders. Ken, 25 for 25 trades on Bitcoin and SPY. Boom. Amazing job, Ken. Fantastic and flawless. Brett, names Ken a rock. All of these traders have tried for many, many years. Trading delayed, junky indicators with which success is not possible. Trading with trigger-happy cowboy mentality. Alpha Fibonacci system teaches you snipers quality mentality. Nothing in between. Incredible job, everyone. That's the power of powerful system with traders' effort. The sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade. But please remember, never ever ever enter into alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. That's where you exit your long, not enter your long. And when scanner give you short, intelligent trader knows where to sell from. The sky's the limit if you obey the rules. Clear on this? Boom. It never gets old, I promise. And that's the power of the system with the effort of incredible traders. Everyone clear on this? So if you want a short, why not? Of course. That's the power of alpha Fibonacci system. So here's an email from graduate who finished the course yesterday. Boom. Thank you so much for all that you have taught me. Thank you for the knowledge. You're such a great teacher and I want you to know how much I appreciate you. This means the world. What does he say as I constantly share emails I receive? Thousands of emails from all over the world. Some of the emails from many years ago. As traders constantly share how well they are doing. As students develop their own hedge funds. And that means the world that I teach not just trading. I teach you health and diet. As I still have my medical license, of course. So what is so interesting that David say? She says, I plan to continue study and take notes during Fibonacci Club and practice all the things I thought I would like to improve my 80% success rate and be like some of your other students who have almost 100% success rate. And what does David says? As I have waiting list of students who sign up for all the software, all strategies I have developed for the future. As David says, there's never been anyone who genuinely cares like you, whether trader succeeds or fails. And this, the reason I love what I do. All I ask you, make an effort. And what you're witnessing in front of you and what played out from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is what Dave obeys and respects and knows extremely clearly. This is not the place to enter into. This is a place to short from. So if you want to trade like David does, please listen to podcasts. New podcasts updated every single week. New podcasts from students and graduates updated on weekly basis. This is David's podcast from a couple of weeks ago. Listen, it will blow your mind what's possible when David makes an effort. And if you decide to join us, it will be one of the best things you've ever done for your trading. Absolutely, for your health and well-being as well, as we are addressing not just trading, but overall well-being. So you have opportunities to take advantage of the biggest discount ever. Never been offered before, will never be offered again. You decide to trade with or without software. Choice is yours. Lifetime license, group course 12 weeks, private mentoring 6 months. If David, if Ken, if Emmanuel, if Brad, if Jean can do it, so can you. What is stopping you? This is community of incredible, brilliant traders. This is the events of today only. You become who you're surrounded by. You are trading quality system with quality traders, with your effort. The sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade, what time frame, what instrument, what account size. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.